Been a very warm and windy day. Those south winds cranking up ahead of a strong cold front tonight. And with that cold front, we are weather aware for severe storm potential. Breaking down those hazards tonight, we can see we are weather aware at 12 a.m. through 7 a.m. Monday. Max wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. The main hazard will be damaging winds, and there is the potential for some brief spin-up tornadoes tonight into early Monday morning. Here's that cold front right now racing across Arkansas. That blue shade is a tornado watch already impacting portions of West Tennessee, and all up and down that line we're seeing severe warnings, even tornado warnings for us in East Tennessee. Looking quiet so far. Here is a Knoxville view, seeing those skies darken ahead of that strong cold front, but right now 71 degrees, not too bad. There is that gusty wind south of up to 18 miles per hour, so pretty breezy. We are tracking tonight those storms. We are weather aware. Beyond that, we are expecting much colder weather as we start the work week Monday. Temperatures falling throughout the day, leading to a hard freeze as we go into early Tuesday morning. Kind of breaking down those hazards right here and the timing. We have a 3 to 5 enhanced risk for severe weather for our far western counties, meaning numerous severe storms look possible. For the yellow shade, 2 out of 5, meaning scattered severe storms possible. Again, I think that line should move in around midnight across our western counties. Knoxville area around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Our far eastern counties probably after 4. Damaging winds with a low end threat for tornadoes will be seen as we go throughout the night. Here's that tornado potential. The whole area has that chance, but the main chance will be across our western areas, but the whole area will have that potential as we go throughout the overnight into early Monday morning. Here's 6 predictor timing things out. It's just a model, so this line could be a little bit slower, could be a little bit quicker, but as of right now, it hasn't impacting the plateau around after midnight, 1 or 2 o'clock, making its way eastward, holding strength as it goes through the Knoxville area around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, and then eventually making it to the Smoky Mountains around 4 or 5, even daybreak. We're going to be seeing those chances for rain across the whole area. And then behind that front, we're seeing a big time cool down, and we have some shades of blue moving in. That is snow for Monday. We can see scattered snow showers across the area, and then as we go into Monday night, I think dry air builds in, then those chances for snow will be ending. We have a snow map too. Here are what we are expecting: a dusting across the Cumberland Plateau. If you live in the Knoxville area, the valley, probably not any accumulation with this. It's just been too warm and that air is looking too dry. But if you're in the eastern counties, especially in the Smokies, higher terrain, maybe up to 4 inches for those higher peaks. We've been talking about the damaging winds from thunderstorms, but here are just the winds from that south breeze. We can see winds up to 60 miles per hour as we go throughout this evening and tonight ahead of that strong cold front. So gusty winds, strong winds for some. We have wind advisories. That blue shade is a wind advisory for the whole area from now all the way through Monday morning, 10 a.m. and that purple shade is a high wind warning. We are expecting winds up to 65 miles per hour. Power outages are expected for some, and dangerous driving conditions as we go throughout the overnight. Here is that cool air moving in. So I think the high temperature for Monday will be at midnight. Beyond that, falling behind the cold front, Knoxville area, daybreak around 50. But during the afternoon hours on your Monday, with those chances for snow building in, I think the temperature will be in the 30s, wind chill in the 20s as we go throughout the afternoon Monday. So much colder weather expected, and that will lead to a hard freeze heading into Tuesday morning. I kind of raised the lows a little bit, but still expecting a hard freeze. I think that wind will not quite die off, and with some lingering clouds, temperatures shouldn't completely bottom out, but that wind chill will make it feel around 10 degrees colder. Tonight we are weather aware, potent cold front, as that strong winds, as the damaging winds, and that tornado threat will be there. Tomorrow, light snow showers, falling temperatures. Here's that 7-day forecast, weather aware Monday morning with those early morning storms. Beyond that, temperatures will struggle back in the 50s Wednesday, slowly warming throughout the week as some quiet weather settles in. Ella?
All right, Zach, thank you. Still to come on 6